Hello there, this is Buni, and today I'll be showing you my project that is an AI-powered content platform that helps developers and tech writers to repurpose the existing tech content into social media posts for like social media platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, and email newsletters. So I'll show you how to get started with the platform and how to import your existing content and then repurpose it for different social media platforms using AI. So let's jump in. So to get started, first you need to either sign up for a new account or sign in with an existing account. So here we are using Clark for user management. So let me sign in using Clark. So you can either choose to any of the platforms to log in. So for this case, let me use Google. So once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to the dashboard where you can complete your onboarding process. So, but for this case, we just go, so we focus on content repurposing. So to be able to repurpose existing content, first you need to import it from it into the platform. So, and for you to import the content, first you need to create your first page if you are a new user. So after creating your first page, then you need to create a new article, then open the new article page. So now you need to import your existing content. So in this platform, you can import your existing content from either Google Docs or Notion. So for this case, let's import our existing content from Notion. So already you can see I'm already connected to my Notion account, and here I have all the articles of the content that's already on my Notion account. So let's import the first article or this content into the platform so that you can be able to repurpose it for content for different social media platforms. So now you can see the content has been imported. So there's an article, a tech article on how to build UI for your LangGraph AI agent using CopilotKit. So you can see it's a complete article, a guide or a tutorial on how to build UI for your LangGraph agent using CopilotKit. Now after importing your content into the platform, now you can be able to repurpose it into social media content for different social media platforms. So to be able to do that, now navigate to the repurpose page. Then once you navigate to the repurpose page, you can see already the content that you imported already showing here already on the selection panel. So select your content. Now choose the target platform you want to repurpose the content for. So in this case, let's say I choose Twitter. After choosing Twitter, then I can select the format I want. So you can choose either single post, thread, or related post. So let me select a thread, and then here you can choose the tone that you want your content to be generated in or repurposing. So let's say let's select advanced tone configuration. Already you have quick presets that are provided. So let me select a viral hook. So a viral hook has a primary tone, which is a conversational, and a secondary tone that is humorous. So let's make sure the tone intensity is strong, and then let's make sure the content is adapted to tone. The tone is adapted to platform context. Then after that, we need to make sure it includes a call to action for the content. So now you can select one of the suggestions in the CopilotKit's chat component. So you can select the Twitter thread suggestion, and the agent will start repurposing the content. As you can see, the agent is already showing you the process, how it is working in the backend, or how it is tackling each task in the backend, and now it will start repurposing the content into a thread. So you can see how each process is going in the backend, and now let's wait and see the repurposed content that we get from the content that we selected and the configurations that we set. As you can see, now after the agent is done repurposing content, you can see here it has generated a thread about the. So as you can see, it is really generated content into the structure of a thread for a Twitter that someone can share on social media. As you can see, it has generated a total of 10 thread of 10 tweets, and you can really copy the content and publish it somewhere, or publish it on Twitter if you want to. To repurpose content for LinkedIn, you follow the process as we did before. Select the content that you want to repurpose for LinkedIn, then select the target platform as LinkedIn, then select the format. So in this case, let's select a post, and then let's add the tone configuration. So you have different quick preset. Let's select an industry expert, which has a primary tone of educational and secondary tone of professional. Let's make sure the content, the LinkedIn post is adapted to the tone is adapted to platform context. And let's also make sure we have a call to action in the post. And then after that, now use the CopilotKit suggestions to generate the post. So as we saw before, the agent will show you how it is performing the tasks and how it's handling different things in the back end. So let's wait for it to generate a new post to repurpose our content into a LinkedIn post. So once the post is generated, you can see the preview here, and you can copy it or edit it and share it on your LinkedIn account. To repurpose your content into email content, you repeat the same process. Select your content that you want to repurpose, then select the platform. So in this case, let's select email, then select the format that you want. Let's select a newsletter, then add the tone configuration. So in this case, let's choose the preset of educational series. Let's make sure the content is adapted to, the tone is adapted to platform context. And also let's make sure that we have a call to action. So once we are done, we select, then you can ask the agent to create an email newsletter. So the agent will start running and will show the tasks that it's running in the back end or behind the scenes. So you can see the steps it is taking and the process it's taking. So let's wait to see the email newsletter that will be generated by the AI agent. As you can see, the email newsletter has been generated based on the content, and you can now copy the content and repost it to share it with your email subscribers. Yeah, so that's so far now the functionality of this platform, that it can be able to repurpose content for different social media platforms, for either Twitter, LinkedIn, or email.